Hi guys, to delete your Apollo.io account, you can either submit a deletion request through their privacy center for your profile to be removed from the database, or if you're an admin, you can deactivate individual users within your organization's account settings, right? And in our case, we use individual account, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go ahead to the apollo.io/claim/person/remove, right? For just quick opt out. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna enter our email, right? So once we enter our email, I'm gonna just hit get confirmation detail and confirm the CAPTCHA, right? So once you confirm the CAPTCHA, we gonna opt out. Just as you can see right here, they sent an email to us, so we're gonna check our email, right? So right here in the Gmail workspace, you see that Apollo just sent me an email, right? So I'm gonna go ahead to the inbox point, verify email address for opt-out request. So I'm gonna click right here to proceed with the verification, right? And what you're gonna do is just gonna complete the removal, right? So Apollo currently does not have your registered email on file, but they have added it to suppression list and will make sure this email never shows up in their database in the future. Okay, and this means basically that you don't have any kind of sensitive information, because I haven't worked long on Apollo.io, unlike other people who will receive a different kind of process. So your profile should be removed within 24 hours to 10 business days if the process is different depending on the method used. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.